All right, this goes for a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Maybe other models of Dodge, not sure, but this was my problem. If your vehicle has no start, no crank from the key, and you have switch, the ignition switch on it here, and your starter works. First thing, check, make sure your starter works. Run a wire from battery to inside starter wire, tie into it, which is here. One on the hot side. I ran a push button here. Then the only thing you have to do, hold that, son. I got you. Hold the key, push the button. And this has been like this for the last 3 years. So hopefully this fixes you guys' problems. Thank you.